Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Steam no licenses error. All right, so let's begin with the video. For the first method, head over to the top left of Steam and click on Steam, then select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, go to the Interface tab. Here, look for Client Beta Participation and set it to Steam Beta Update. After selecting this option, Steam will automatically close and start updating. Once the update is finished, Steam will reopen with the beta update enabled. Try launching your game again and see if this fixes the issue. If the problem is still not resolved, move on to the second method. Again, click on Steam in the top left and go to Settings. This time, open the Downloads tab and scroll down until you find the option to clear download cache. Click on it, and when the confirmation window appears, click Confirm. Steam will sign you out automatically, so sign back in once it restarts. After logging back in, the issue should be fixed, and that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Steam no licenses error. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.